Ghana Nurses Association, National Teachers, whatever. Dangerous societies, all my for me were Ghana.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and TV so. But all this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Teachers for almost yes, teacher ni bibi na ubeka they are doing protective mechanism. We mo nye Christopher, omo nye Muslimi for, omo ye dangerous people. Ghana Nurses Association, National Teachers, whatever. Dangerous societies, omo forming wa Ghana, occultic groups, omo they supported bad this. Me na mi kanye. Teachers supported teachers or ye wrong crumb be supporting no. So our groups, association of this occultic associations. Because group is a good group. You are not you did not form a group to support your people. You formed a group to make sure that you protect people so that hobia dibeba sa association no so but enya na association Ghana association sa
so for
boneso to protect bad people in their midst. Do you understand? So something that me say occultic associations enya associations meant to protect people. Enti eno sa associations no we have to attack those associations because obi boni na association ne beka na yama all the members the leaders of that association na Ghana for sorry say dissolve all the leaders, let them all go, let's look for new people because we ni papa obi nya adi boni ma won protect sa adi boni no nka say onu akumobi o. But we say the mental we have to protect their mental whatever.
Uncle comment says she wanna best. Me mama tell comment be Obi say so what is Baumia coming to do again in this country? Sakwa kwasia we o freeze mahama aya de papa bi fuel subsidy o mo de buy o mu ye free one e say mahama ya nti o say Baumia ba be dem. Na comment ba kokra de o besere o say nyansa ebu man. Nyansa fuel subsidy na ye free one o say nyansa ebu my back was very commendable. The other person also say good work. See we just our boss say she was say after the transport operators have increased their prices, now they will never reverse the price hike. And they say Mahama you want Ghana see this free fuel prices so into I say transport operators no more increasing prices than that. Now policy way na Mahama there but na their transport operators never say transport first. A bomb penny back on so I say paying straight to camp MPP. Who is subsidy everywhere then any paying a brand MPP. Back on Anthony to say Ghana is free now. Second independence, just say NDC for way there. You see, Obi can say you say NDC for no mostly. At the end I am defending no one tells you. On social media no will be defending Bibia. At the end I someone tells you but once I saw be defended there. On by kwasi no mu diate. Chale Obi keso that's all kasem. Koye NDC near Panicho that form the book because that is the worst case. any human being can be subjected to like oh no.
What's it medaya to her? Quack Katia, another sword. Ebe Shasi, the one. Yay! One air communica, our park so. I'll say, where di canyon or no di canyon or the first. But first, no, or say, mempebiem, first, no. But me jam first, no, medino, na my baby di last. Na my baby Shasi, ya for what be that? What it look like tuna ye to aba editia honorable Kennedy Japan I say ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because say ya eni honorable Kennedy Japan mu a na the fact and the truth say honorable Kennedy Japan e catch the NDC government and say Ghana for nya jide wo mu nti make sure say what commissions our hospital ne dia masante for and the Ghana for. At that moment, I will back to now my MPP. Ebeba be demonstration the same. And yet here when this government will fail it. Because a Juma go the necessary way. And to honorable Kennedy Japan Becca say, NDC MPP forward by 8 years. One commission into be about 1.5 years a yenja woman and into Ghana dinner so to about this MPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Asante region, for Asante people, any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only a hospital, no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's the 1.5 on GP? On DD. Maybe so on GP, on DD. Sikabe no time yes or the kwa start 24 hours economy market ni sikabe no time ye. Sa sika yentimi yi enfan finishes our hospital na. Enti mistake a MPP ye no. That means all part na say NDC so the same thing and yes ah. Kofo na sha ase. O sha ase na NDC for beto aso wo mu awie. And NDC for so free so NMPP abeto aso wo mu so awie. And na when NDC wa ba finish no.
Mzo ene da ono. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko. E no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Canadian saying, and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me was I mean, say, almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my account for. I comfort my facilitator, Mr. Umber funded free seniors, most of my account for. You say, any Ghana for debut. Na friend at tables na ten after them mokike mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na nko no ho. Asofo no monko ma ntu with the greatest of respect. Omonko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Market women omonko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Obi ankara no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no about no the credit scoring system, but I must open conking. Nancy Bibi Nina said, ye be a kitting, ye invest kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitting. Is any one? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a missile. Men are not catching you. The many members all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And you are John the money, mamma could not a person and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried menu now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Buta region. Now Miss hey Ramona Chapa ya happiness say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff a man am one. Which is never true.
Onya Juma or that. And Onya Juma or that. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post. Yeah, no catch you. We say oh the boy.
Or since I'm not. We say for the first time. Number one and kwa baby akwa dan. And then number one. Yes. Not just say. Was in Ukraine during say. State institution we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say. Papa or Council of State member or company. To good. A year before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good to me good kwa manone. Ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026. Within 4 or 5 months, we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se bar one ne nipa no ni business. And nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Se osusi se nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement. Ama o grant omo bi omo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court o. Uko court no. Court will really the tiao. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defendiana afi the also by us say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na wa maye no issue document say we a fugitive. Awo dwane. Tango. Personal attack as if say you go office one and they use personal agenda. And you so sad.
No Raymond Wankasa me Martin ma ba mi ense bia I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the meme hu no. Wo the very soon be hu recordings e be pie. Very soon be hu recordings are e be pie. And this state institutions are. Oh, on sa no hu no no crash am fe ya sorry am fe na nsi for my